both are $80, guys. So you spend $80, and the JBL bass, you can hear the bass even in the open air. Alright my brothers, welcome back. Today I'm recording more than 10 videos, 10 different speakers. If you didn't watch my other videos, definitely go ahead and check my playlist. It's getting a lot of crazy stuff. They're experimenting with the expensive versus cheap versus expensive, all kind of crazy experiment, right? Today we have a JBL GX628, one of the best sellers of the JBLs. JBL speaker were not the, the good selling speakers, since like I did so many videos about the JBL speakers. Now it's like JBL speakers was selling really good, and a lot of the guys is buying it. So this guy is around $80 speaker, 60 watt RMS power, 180 watt maximum power. And I have a tons of videos. I recorded like $80 kickers, $80 the Alpine, $80 the Pioneer, and I have a $25 a cheaper one. So the reason why I'm doing the videos, I was just like you, to find out for the best speaker for the best price. And always you're gonna get surprised. Sometimes you buy some cheapito, and when you install it, when you give the powers, it's gonna be surprisingly differently sound than the brand names. Like you overpay for the name. Also, as some Harman, also as the Focals is coming, and definitely I'm gonna get the Focal speakers, right, to compare with the cheaper speakers and to see really it's cost for that money or not. And I have also is a bunch of $150 speakers. Like for example, this guy is $150 per pair. But what is that? This is a Pro Audio, right? As a timpani or timpano. I have a $150 kickers, right? All the speakers just drop it. So yeah, this is $150. I didn't open yet. So next video is gonna be $150 kicker. So here's the deal. Let me unbox the speaker. And so it comes with the adapter and a nice grill. Grill is nothing different with the other guys. And the speaker itself, like always, JBL puts up some filters, right? It's a lot of filtration is gonna go. The filter actually goes to the driver and the tweeter also. These tweeters, like Infinity speakers, they using also like bigger version of this tweeter, but this is what it is. So this is a close-up view for you guys, right? That's how it looks. And tweeter, you can turn it left and right, and nice smooth turn. And the build quality, it's like always the JBL, This surface is exactly same like this guy, but it's different layout. You see that this guy is a lot beefier. So this guy is a $40 Pioneer, and this guy is a $80 Pioneer. This is a two-way speaker. This is four-way speaker for $80. This is a new design, and as you can see, JBL is, I don't know, we're gonna compare, right? So let's say how this guy will compare with the other ones for the same price, the cheaper one and the more expensive one, right? So I have a tons of speakers coming, but definitely watch my other videos and subscribe and click comment below. What do you think about this speaker? Let's give him some power. We're gonna start from the trap music, like always, and we're gonna give him a lot of power, and for all the speakers, and we're gonna see. Even nice. Even even open air is producing a lot of bass. You can hear that. Of course you can hear it because I'm using top of the line recording system, right? Even it gets very loud, but you can hear the difference. Only thing you gotta use, nice headphones. Reason why this speaker start to screaming even is a lower volume, because this is a 2 ohm version, 2.3 ohm. That's why it's gonna pull a lot of power from your amplifier. But again, I did the videos like a 2-ohm version with the 4-ohm, 4-ohm version with 2 ohms. You're not gonna feel it if a speaker it's if you use the same speaker, you're not gonna feel the difference. Like it's pulling a lot of power, right? Let's play some guitar. So much nicer sound quality, guys. It's even I think the $80 Pioneer is not gonna come close for this, and will producing a lot of bass. You can hear it. Like, of course, it's gonna be to mic 2 ohm. It doesn't matter. You're gonna install it for your vehicle, right? You install it in the vehicle. It doesn't matter. It's a 2 ohm or 4 ohm. The same price you spend it. So I'm trying to give you the message, which way you gotta spend to get the better sound. So now it's gonna be the sound comparison, 4-way versus 2-way, right? Start the commenting, guys, which one you bet, which one is gonna be more accurate sound. We're gonna play the same music and the same power output. Should I should play now the trap music. I give you, before you buy, to listen to find out which one is better way to go. So definitely, guys, comment below what do you think, which one is better sounding. More detailed, more crisp sound, 2-way JBL, or is the new Pioneer, new ways, new design, 4 ways. Definitely on the JBLs at Tweeters, it's much better and detailed. Both are $80, guys. So you spend $80, and the JBL bass, you can hear the bass even in the open air. Definitely, this guy's gonna move for the next level. I'm gonna compare these guys with a lot expensive speakers. My previous video, you can say that you got, hey Mike, you the JBL guys. Like, reason why I'm doing that, because the JBLs, they sound good. Even the $50 version one, it sounds good. More detailed, more natural sound. That's why I'm saying it's like, you can buy the JBLs and you're never gonna be regret about your purchase. About the Pioneers new design, comparing with the $40, with the $80, of course it's $80, it sounds better. But the Pioneer $40 versus watch my other video with the $25 one, $25 handled more bass and the tweeter is a lot cleaner than the $40 Pioneer, right? So not always expensive means good. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna run different experiment. I'm gonna box another speaker and we're gonna run all comparisons. As soon as I made up, you know, the best speakers, best 5 speakers. I will install in the box. I will give the tons of juice, and we're gonna see how they perform under, you know, the pressure under the amplifier. Right? I'm out. I'm gonna run a different scenario.